Me, I want them, tell them this a real Shenyang anthem. No girl can't see me a start problem. Them a man clown so me walk on them. Me no love chat but me I want them, tell them this a real Shenyang anthem. Now fight no girl over no man, me no idiot. If me I take your man, me I keep that.
Good morning guys, back walk. I woke up early and dropped my aunt off to go get her hair done, so I just come from Juicy Beef. I will get some breakfast. I'm about to drop it off to her now. We got some stew fish with potato and banana and yam. So now I'm walking to the shop now. About walk. Guys, I have on my glasses because I look so my face don't do good today. I got up this morning so early and my freaking foundation dropped and broke and cracked. So no, I have no foundation, so I have to go look for foundation somewhere. Now I'm crossing the road. Hold on. Oh God. It's so hot for if we have video and I'm walking at Jamaica. My God. I'm about to walk in the shop. No. Here's my hi,
hey, honey. Hey, you're doing it done yet? Hi, hello. Can we help you?
See my breakfast. I get stew chicken, yam, banana, and dumpling from Juicy Beef. Oh, I'm an orange box drink, country style. This tastes better than Juicy food. My breakfast from Juicy Beef. It was nice. It just didn't want more pepper, but you know, gravy nice and thick and things. And I'm full now, so I'm on my way to Linstead to go to Digicel and hook up a phone or something like that. So yeah, I don't know what else I have planned for the day, but I will keep you guys up to date. Here's the road to Linstead. Oh shit, they fighting?
Bite, don't you man?
Jesus Christ, they're my fight. You're not gonna party, El. You're not party. Keep wait, stop. Go on, watch. Go on, watch. No, stop. They're my fight. No, hey. Jesus Christ. I want my fight over. They bite. Wait, they can't see no more. Fuck.
Malik, you with the stone.
He hit him with the stone?
Yeah.
Oh God, I gotta zoom in. No, sir. Everybody just out watch. Nobody now try to pot them. No man, this not funny, but I need something to vlog. No man, them my fight. Oh God, go pot it. You just stare. You're not pot it. You're not pot it.
No, I'm gonna have a pot them now.
Jesus Christ. Everybody just out watch. You want party?
Ayo.
Be careful, El. Jesus Christ, my bleed. He bleeding. My blood clots. Me brave not be see me a video people. Rascal. What he hit him with the stone? Jesus Christ. How did my fight over?
Jackie, them are my brother. Them my brother.
Rascal. Yeah, alright. Nice to entertain violence, but I mean, like, there wasn't nothing else for me to vlog, and these vlogs haven't been like lit lately, so but it have to video them.
Oh, that far then about 10 minutes and that girl, you know.
Yes. Oh God. But when I didn't feel bust up on sitting, yeah. I don't know, so hopefully you're alright. And look like you're alright and walk on gone. But yo, that's crazy. It's right here. Why? Oh, Linstead? Alright guys, so we are pick up some people for go run taxi, you know, so I'm gonna stop videoing. here drinking a bag juice because it's time hot. Sun turn up. Nice.
That be a snap.
So right now we're on our way to go pick up some pork from my aunt digging.
Yo, when you come to my
They can't go and season up and meat them so they can't take set.
Run joke in there.
They're prospect.
But when you play a sound, you make it last.
This is so refreshing. In St. Catherine Rivers, they're about to drive across this little river now. We took a shortcut. I'll be a rock. My God. Look at this river. You think people come down the ambient? Oh God, it's that deep.
Fish then.
Fish?
Mm-hmm.
This one?
Mm-hmm. Red fish.
Oh. I used to love bathing in the river when I was younger, but no, probably feel shame. You gonna stop and take a picture?
Yeah. Yeah.
Picture.
Good production.
Look how she favors somebody. Stop and make YouTube see you.
Hey, YouTube.
You like it? Somebody I call you.
On YouTube?
Somebody said bumbo.
Oh.
I don't know. It look good.
That's so common.
It look good.
The love is also in.
I wanna try a bob so bad, but I don't wanna cut my hair.
Bob.
Can my hair sew on bob?
Why you not cutting these? Why you can't live a little?
Me no want cut.
Vlog.
You're vlogging, I'm vlogging too.
Oh, hey, yeah.
Them just a follow me, sir.
Everybody vlogging. I ain't being my vlog. Everything.
I have to vlog something. The apple tastes good. It tastes like what? I don't like. Let me try it. Broke off piece, give me.
Let me
Not
try
like
too.
a big piece. Like
Let me
break
try
off
it.
piece in your mouth and then let me try the little piece. I said broke off piece.
Give me some. Let me try.
It's too enough.
Let me try. Tastes like an apple.
No apple.
Country tomato.
Let me try.
I want this white stuff. This.
Apple tasty.
Eat it. Tastes good.
No, me like it foreign apple them more. No, me not like it. It tastes like. Seriously? Like it's sour.
It tastes like beef.
Manpower.
Yeah, they say try manpower first before we start. How much money do you want Monday?
Any amount of time.
It has like no flavor.
It tastes like water.
Oh, so we go back up to me.
I don't like Jamaican apple.
I don't want it.
You like it?
You
like it, Trissy?
Yeah, most of $1 million can't make them slide.
So we're back at my aunt land right now. What they putting up, the foundation? Then build up a shed to store the material and stuff in and water.
Okay, come if you give more money, right?
Yeah.
Oh, what they doing now?
Back again.
What they doing now?
They might like get the board to like line you up, but so we're going back or tractor or whatever that
So what
is.
they gonna do Monday? Dig everything?
They will go, yeah, because it's the one top down the street, they want to look how
Again, the same vlogger.
Alright. I understand. They doing something. And then Monday is when we're gonna do the cooking and stuff and they're gonna start digging or something.
I don't get so we are doing cooking Monday on that shed, right? Right, so we have to set up one little chop all in one table.
And rake up and throw something on the ground.
Yeah, Daddy, I have to rake up that shed.
I don't want nothing come bite me up, my nice clean
Give
skin.
me a shout out. My channel.
I already gave you a shout out. Move, y'all look up it. Nobody don't want to watch you.
Oh, nobody want to watch you too because you supposed to be in college.
Shut up.
50, so mommy, I'm going to go talk.
No, it's on me. Hi guys.
No, stay with Kayla. Stay with Kayla right here.
Me and my clean
Yes.
Oh,
We start to put together.
Yeah.
You're gonna get a master.
Can you believe me? I come from 0 to 7.5. Yes. Check me out.
And I'm an 8.5. No, stop. We are 10 out of 10.
Stop! Stop following me. I gotta go across there.
You have to stop.
Niece.
You have to really stop.
No,
We are ball offer. Look at boy.
Really stop.
Tracy.
me have to go over there, so Papa.
Tracy, who
You can't come in the bush.
We are ball offer.
Can you stop it?
Yeah,
Stop
I gotta
what?
go talk
Can
to
you
Gaga.
stop?
I gotta talk to Gaga.
For what?
In there. And I don't want Maka to bite you, okay?
What?
Hawaii, stay with Cousin Kayla.
By barbed wire. You see? If you did listen to me, you wouldn't get cut. Come, let me see.
Barbed wire
Let me
right
see.
here. You got barbed wire right
Let
here.
me see. Osh. Yeah, I messed up my shirt. Stop. Let me see if it's. Oh. Osh. I know it hurts. I told you not to touch
I
it.
don't want to stay here.
See, but
I told you.
you don't want to stay here? I know, but we have to stay. Your mommy and Gaga deal with business. Osh, it'll be okay.
Sorry, can come in now.
One, 2, 3. Oh yeah, they did it. Whoa. That look too high. You see she eating off your saltfish. Granny, go carry one block.
Look, Kayla, look.
Stop.
Yeah, me, I want to get now. Give me.
Here, drinking some rum and Pepsi.
Bad mind and all those things keep down on no talent. If the culture came in completely to them and tell them and shoot it to them. You live on creation for yourself alone. Anything what you have better govern is aware. Cause your mother go banaba get bad mind. You say culture give us bad them can to me. Don't come to me, do a come to skylark. Captain, you is a man, you big have ambition. And the greatest thing is to have a lot of plan. Welcome to culture, can we go from black people, black beauty. We'll give thanks and praise to the Almighty Creator, American all this.
Yeah.
Boom, boom. Mommy, look. Mommy, look.
Guys, I'm gonna get my baked goods and my hot sausage. May I go rum this up now? Yeah. Where, Boom Boom? Where? Pauline, Boom Boom, my nicest one knife family?
Of course.
She had the nicest one knife family?
She born with her looks.
I'm a keep all in the
Yeah.
She had the nicest
She born with her looks.
Excuse me,
That's
sir.
natural.
Which one look better, me or her? Look wise, face wise.
No, just say it. No. That's not true. We're not talking about color.
Just look. Like, face.
It's one of these. Yeah.
Which one? No, natural. We're talking about like, just looks.
Just say yes now.
She cute.
Young boy, I love you, Keisha. Young boy, I love you.
All right. Ask for next month.
Keisha.
I don't care. I'm still nice. Fuck.
Auntie Pauline said we come along. You know better than me.
Stop it.
You do look better than me.
No, don't make me feel that weird.
Go ban over again.
You're full of shit. Oh God, I'm ugly. Guys, everyone treat me so damn bad. Didn't no one want to follow me out on the road to go buy my damn chicken and chips. But I went out there in the dark by myself and got it myself. And I bet you when I go down there, somebody gonna ask me to taste a piece of the chicken or a piece of the chips. Gives me, I gotta say no, cause I know no they want. Follow me, we'll tell what we go get it, but we don't want some. But anyways, I'm walking down to my uncle's house because they're gonna cut up and season the meat that's gonna be used for my aunt's digging on Monday. So yeah.
Season up. What are we seasoning?
Jerk pork. I mean
Jerk chicken?
Yeah.
It smells good. And strong. You know, this kind of video, you can't ask, oh, you're not business. So why you whisper?
You just say it on video, make
So this is the last thing for season?
no pork no come on it.
The pork, It looks like one more season, no? Or no?
This is there,
It
but
looks kind of white still.
this then the way you put on this. So that the jerk sauce.
Oh, that's true.
You love that sauce, man.
Oh, I watch. Oh, I forgot on the farm they want to use black water. But that's how I chop up fine,
Then
right?
the most these.
The amount of people will come.
I ain't playing with you.
Yeah. You a walking trophy. Girl, you a walking trophy.